is supply chain visibility. We need to know what's coming in, what's coming out. There are a lot of ways we can do that, but we always want to see, do we have inventory risk? Do we have bottlenecks? And we saw some of that with our simulation, but we also want to actually follow in real time what's happening with our inventory, right? Where are things going? What's coming in? How much safety stock do we have? When we look at aerospace, for example, titanium is incredibly expensive and also hard to get, right? So we've got a lead time for our raw materials of 6 to 9 months. We got to have a handle on what's in there, what's going to be going out, what's going to be coming in. And we can do that. One of the things we have with Minitab Real-Time SPC, as well as Minitab Connect integrated together, it allows us to bring all our data sources together. So we can look at our supplier quality data, you know, how much is actually going to be defective, we can estimate that. We can look at our ERP inventory levels. We can look at the delivery schedules, pull in all that data together, and now look at where our risks might be. So we can optimize things like our procurement, because we can see, all right, this is flowing pretty steady. This is one particular quality metric. We're good here. We might see areas where we're not so good, but the bottom line is what we're doing here, and we can do to solve a lot of problems. This just happens to be supply chain, is we're using Minitab Connect to integrate all this data coming from all these different places to get real visibility into what our risks are. So, you know, if our output drops, for example, so, you know, we've got that information of what's going out of our factory. We might be tracking that in our ERP, for example. We're going to have a backlog of supplies. And so we have material exposure risk right away, right? So everything we want to do is connecting to that shop floor data, along with the data of what's coming in, what's going out, what's happening inside, connecting all those data sources to really see where our risks are going to be and predict where we need to make changes that affect our supply chain. So again, just one example of connected data. The possibilities with connected data from all different systems are pretty much endless. I see a lot of connected data with things like looking at customer complaints and tying that to defects, and, you know, even down to the machine and operator level on the shop floor. So taking my warranty data and tracing it back to things that happened while it was being produced, to be able to even determine the root cause of, say, our warranty costs, right? So it's amazing all the things we can do now that we have the technologies to collect and connect this data.